First one is the operating system services. First, program execution. Operation systems handle many kinds of activities, from user programs to system programs like printer, name servers, file servers, and others. It loads a program into to memory, executes the program, handles programs execution, provides mechanism for process. It also provides mechanism for process communications, provides mechanism for deadlock handling. And second one is the I/O operation. An I/O subsystem compromises of I/O devices and their corresponding driver software. Drivers hide the peculiarities of specific hardware devices from the users. Third one is the file system manipulation. A file represents a collection of related informations. So computers can store files on the disk, either secondary or on the primary, for long-term storage purposes. Example of this is media, including magnetic tape, magnetic disc, and optical disc like DVDs, VCD, and other. File system is normally organized into directories for easy navigation and usage. Uh, the program asks or the user whether to read file or to write file. Uh, Fourth one is the communication. Um, in case of distributed systems, which are collection of processors that do not share memory, peripheral devices, or a clock, the operating system manages communications between all the processes. Multiple processes communicate with one another through communication lines in the network. And fifth one is the error error detection. Errors can occur anytime and anywhere. An error may occur in CPU or in I/O devices or in the memory hardware. Following are the major activities of an operating system. Uh, Second one, the first one is it constantly checks for possible errors, and second one is it takes an action or the appropriate action to ensure to make the problem go away. Sixth one is the resource management. In case of multi-user or multi-tasking environment, resources such as main memory and CPU, cycles, and file storage are to be allocated to each user or job. The OS manages all kinds of resources using schedulers, and scheduling algorithms are used to make the CPU better. And protection, considering a computer system having multiple users and concurrent execution of multiple processes, various processes must be protected from each other's device. The OS ensures that all access to system resources is controlled. The external I/O devices are protected from invalid accesses, and authentication features for each users by means of passwords. And the second one will be talking about is is Android architecture. Um, Application frameworks become popular with the rise of graphical user interface, it uses GUIs. Since this t- tended to promote a standard structure for applications, programmers find it much simpler to create GUI using these tools. First one is the SQL, User Surface Manager, WebKit, OpenGL Media Framework, and LIBC. For the runtime, it uses the core libraries or the Dalvik virtual machine. That's all. Thank you.